Welcome. If you're looking to connect with friends or make the most of Pinterest's social features, you might want to allow the app to access your contacts. This updated guide will walk you through each step to enable contact access for Pinterest on your phone, making it easy to find and connect with people you know. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. You'll usually find it on your home screen or in your app drawer, represented by a gear icon. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you see the section labeled Apps or App Management. Tap on this to view a list of all the apps installed on your device. Next, scroll through the list and find the Pinterest app. If you have a lot of apps, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly locate it. Once you find Pinterest, tap on it to open the app's settings. Inside the Pinterest settings, look for the Permissions option. This section controls what features and information the app can access on your device. Tap Permissions to continue. Now, you'll see a list of different permissions that Pinterest can request, such as camera, location, and contacts. Find the Contacts option and tap on it. Here, you'll be given choices like Allow or Deny. Select Allow to grant Pinterest access to your contacts. That's it. You've successfully enabled contact access for Pinterest. This will let the app find your friends and make it easier to connect and share ideas. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same settings and switch the permission off at any time. Remember, keeping your app updated ensures the best performance and security. If you run into any issues after changing these settings, try restarting your device or checking for system updates. Thanks for following along. Enjoy exploring Pinterest with your new connections.